Hello everyone, see you again. And this video I just want to show my farm here. It's so big, but in my country not so good in this season because even it's a rainy season, but it's too dry because no raining. So every day I have to spend a lot of money to buy some material, especially to buy the gasoline to fuel my machine to take the water from the river to fuel my rice field here because it's so big. It needs more money, how much money. But right now I have a new idea that I can set up. I set up already with the new project that we call gravity pump. This project no needs electricity, no needs gasoline, no need petrol, just need only a little money to buy some material to set up and then can use forever until it's broken, right? So right now, okay, right now you can see here that I use this valve instead of the switch on and switch off of the electric machine, and the end of the output, this one we call output pipe, but this the end of output pipe I just use a small pipe with a 34 millimeter, right? It's the same size to the input pipe, 34 millimeter. Okay, and then now I start to open it. Let's go to see with me. Wow, too strong, right? Too strong in this. Too strong. And if you don't need any water more, you can close. And if you need more, you can open like this, right? Okay. And otherwise, let's go with me to see the material that I set up with this project. And the other way, okay, right now you can see the material that I set up with this project with air pressure. The standing pipe here we call air pressure to stop the air when it come back when it reverse from the end of the output pipe. Make sure it cannot go into this main drum, right? And then we make a pressure and then push it back to the end of the pipe. If on the air or reverse air, it come into this main drum, our project cannot succeed, will be fail. Another way that you can see here, we call air valve check. That are for filling the water to this main drum. Because before we process our project, we have to fill the water until it's full, because when we open the end of the pipe, the water is flow out from this main drum. This drum will make a pressure to take or to chuck the water from the river, right? From the river to fill my rice field over here. But the main point that you have to remember, you have to understand when during your set up or install this project, you have to use the metal drum like this because it's solid, it's so hard, not easy to deform. But for the plastic drum, it's very soft and easy to deform, right? Don't forget that you have to use like this kind of the metal drum. And otherwise, during you connecting between pipe to pipe, you have to use the glue, right? Connecting, making no only linking water mean waterproof. And this project is very important for the people in the rural countryside, especially in the place without electricity, right? If you like my review, my project, this kind of project, please share your friend or family, share your community, or you can show your community or people in your village or in your community to see this kind of project. And thank you. And the last I would like to say thank you so much that you spend the value time to see my review, my video today. Hope see you next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.